Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to download TV shows on the Amazon Prime Video app. If you want to watch your favorite episodes offline, follow these simple steps to save them to your device. Launch the Amazon Prime Video app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then on the next page, find the TV show you want to download and then click on it. After selecting the TV show, the next page will open where you will go down to the download option. But before you click on that option, you must keep in mind that in this case, you are downloading an entire season. But if you want to download each episode individually, then scroll down where you can see that there is a download option next to each episode. The app will ask you in which audio language you want to download. You also need to know that only a few languages are supported by the app. Select the language you want and click on the OK option. You then have to choose what quality you want the TV show to be downloaded in. That decision is up to you. Once you decide, click on the Start Download option. After the download is complete, go to the Download section in the app menu. This is where all your saved episodes will be stored for offline viewing. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the TV show in the Amazon Prime Video app. Now you can watch your episode anytime, even without an internet connection. If you liked the video, don't forget to follow us for more guides like this. Thank you for watching and enjoy the offline viewing experience.